Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is basically gonna be an install, frontal install at that, a frontal wig install, and it's gonna be a detailed video, so make sure you're staying tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and like this video. Thanks guys, let's get right into it.
God, you really have blessed hands, okay?
Thank you.
Like, it's really amazing. It's really amazing when you sit in somebody's chair and you come out feeling yourself.
Period. So this is a custom unit that I made. I also colored the hair myself, and the frontal and bundles that I use to construct this wig are from my hair brand Laidbyify on Instagram and laidbyify.com. So make sure you guys go shop my website. So with any install, the first thing I do is pluck. Plucking is very important. You want to pluck behind the hairline because you do not want to pluck too much in the front to mess up the shape of the hairline. You also don't want any balding, so to prevent that, you should always pluck behind the hairline. It just gives it a more seamless look. So once you're done plucking, you just want to take your hot comb, and this is the Laidbyify hot comb that I mentioned in my previous video, and I will link this in the description box below. But you just want to take your hot comb and literally press the hair out, so just making it flat and also combing out any excess hair that you plucked from a frontal. So now we're gonna get into the ball cap. So I just put the cap onto my sister, and of course I'm cutting out the ears, and I'm gonna take this bedhead hairspray and I'm gonna spray it on the front of the cap. But yeah, this is how the frontal looks once I finish hot combing it and using my wax stick. So here I'm just putting makeup on the bald cap just so that it blends in with her skin. And I believe this is Ruby Chris's cream foundation in level 15 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm taking some scissors. I think this is like nose cutting scissors because the ends are a little bit curved, so you will never cut your client. I'm going to link these scissors in the description box below. I feel like everybody needs to get a pair of these scissors because they're so good. Like, you will never cut your client. You will never have to worry about getting too close to your client's skin because, trust me, you will never cut them with these scissors. So here's my sister acting a fool as usual. And then I'm just taking alcohol. I believe this is 91% or 70%. Either one works fine. I'm just using it to clean off the excess oils on her face. And then I'm going in with the Erica J Skin Guard to protect her skin, because we are using the glue and the glue will be on her skin for some time. So you just want to make sure you're using a skin guard to protect her skin while the wig is installed. And here I'm just cutting off excess cap, and I'm going to go in with the same shade that I used for her cap, and I'm gonna put this on her lace just so that the lace blends in with her skin. This step is important. You want to make sure that you tint your lace, whether it's with makeup or lace tint, whatever you use. Just make sure you tint the lace so that it matches your client's skin. And here I'm just cutting out the ear tabs, but before I did that, I was just making sure that, you know, the wig sat properly on her forehead. And you just want to get your client to hold the wig down while you do this so that you're not cutting the lace too short, because you want to make sure it's from ear to ear. Then I'm just gonna go in and spread the glue across her forehead. And I did this 3 times. However, I didn't show each time on camera, sorry. But I did this 3 times, and you have to wait till each layer turns clear, and then you add another layer. And once the 3rd layer is clear, you just want to take your wig and you want to press it on top of the glue, making sure that the hairline of the wig matches up with the line of the glue, because you don't want excess glue to be on her forehead. You rather overplace the wig than underplace the wig. So what I mean by that is you rather place the wig directly on top of the glue than to not place it on top of the glue at all. So once I press that in, I just take an elastic band and I tie the wig down. The trick is to tie it twice. I find that tying it down twice helps further adhere the lace into the glue. And here I'm just cutting light layers into her hair because she wants bouncy curls. And this is also the secret to bouncy curls. You want to make sure you cut light layers into the hair. And another secret to a flawless install is using a razor. When you use a razor, it literally just, like, you can't, like, how do I explain this? When you use a razor, literally the line is not perfect, which is what you want. You want a raggedy line, because when you cut the lace and it's too straight, it looks very much wiggish and it looks like lace. So you want to make sure you cut jagged. Like, make sure the cut is not straight across. You want to make sure it's jagged. That's why I use a razor. You can use scissors, but if you do, just make sure you do zigzags. So moving on, I'm just parting the hair for the baby hairs, and I do 2 baby hairs on each side. And like I mentioned before, once you pluck behind the hairline, that's where you get that little demarcation between the baby hair and like the hair behind it. It just makes it look more seamless, and it makes it look more like your scalp when there's like a demarcation between your baby hairs and the actual hair, as you can see in the video. And to further melt the lace, I'm going to put mousse on the baby hairs. For some reason, this really works. I'm not sure what it actually does, but all I know is that once I do this step, the lace blends in super seamless. And after I put the mousse down, I literally spray a light layer of the bedhead hairspray once again. And like I told you before, I double tie the elastic band because this step just makes the lace melt in super, 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 super well. So if you don't double knot your elastic band, then you should start, because baby, your lace will be melted. But here I am just doing the baby hairs. I'm again cutting the baby hairs with the razor that I mentioned in the beginning of the video to cut the lace.
That looks so pretty.
And my sister's admiring herself. She's crazy.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty. You're so stupid. Oh god. Moving on up to the 5th grade. 6th grade, 7th grade, ain't no stopping us now. No, because our elementary school or whatever kindergarten only went up to 4th grade. So that was our moving on ceremony song.
Oh, that was the song?
Yeah. Moving on up to the 5th grade. 6th grade, 7th grade, ain't no stopping us now.
At that point, we were on FaceTime with my cousin. We were singing a song from our childhood. It just came out of nowhere, honestly. But yeah, to do the baby hairs, I literally just used the little curling iron, the little straightener, and I curled the hair backwards. And I just get some gel and I swoop the baby hairs. So here's the final results. And lastly, another really good tip is when you're finished with your install, sometimes the lace might have like a white shadow from all the products that you use. So you just dab lightly, take a small amount of alcohol and just clean up that shade or that shadow that the products may cause on the lace. And voila. This is the final product of the hair. You want to take a wide tooth comb and kind of comb out the hair and add a little bit more volume to the curls. And just play with it a bit, just so that the curls can be nice and bouncy. As you can see here, I just combed it out a little bit. And you know, finger like teased it so that it could be bigger. And this is the final result. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed tutorial on this frontal wig install. And if you want more videos of me installing wigs and things like that and giving you guys tips, just let me know and I'll be happy to deliver. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and like this video, of course. See you in the next one. Peace.
Want me to fix the curls? Nah, Ify. I love this color.
Me too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me.